Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from How Logical. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can log in into your account on BambooHR. So let's get started. First of all, open your web browser and in the search bar, type in BambooHR login. And as the search result, in the first option you can see login page for BambooHR users. Click on the link. It will take you to the login portal for your BambooHR. And over here it says enter your BambooHR domain to login. Enter the company domain of your account and click on continue. After you do that, you will be asked to enter your password over there. Enter the password of your account and click on login button. You will be logged into your BambooHR account. And in case if you guys do not know your company domain, you can click here what's main domain to find out. So that's all for this video. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. And also hit the bell icon for latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.